This 2021 Forest River IBEX 19 QBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mount Clemens, Michigan, 48043 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 23 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 3, Slideout, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.